Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So today I would like to share to you small habits that will improve your fluency in English. So these small habits might seem insignificant, but I promise you in the long run, it will give a huge impact on your fluency in English. So the first one is that learn new vocabularies every single day. First of all, let's talk about the importance of vocabularies. So in English, vocabularies is very important because vocabularies will help you to communicate with other people. So suppose if you do not know about grammar rules that much, but you still know about vocabularies, you still be able to communicate with other people. So suppose I want to go to the bathroom, I do not know about the proper grammar to say that I want to know where the bathroom is. Like for example, I couldn't tell people like, could you please tell me where the bathroom is? I do not know how to say that, but I only know about one vocab, which is bathroom. I can still communicate with other people. So suppose I'm asking them like, bathroom, where? Oh, bathroom. They will answer me. They will they will understand me. So, and also in a lot of cases back then when I started to learn English for the first time, I was having limited vocabularies and grammar. I only know some, but other people still understand what I'm trying to say, and I was also still understanding what other people are telling me. So vocabularies is very important in English. So try to learn new vocabularies every single day. And you don't have to learn a lot of them. 1 or 2 vocabularies every single day is enough. Okay, you don't need to have like a higher pressure for yourself, like, oh, I'm gonna learn like 10 vocabularies or 20 vocabularies per day. Like, you don't have to do those things, and you don't also have to learn about fancy vocabularies. Learn the simple one. Learn the vocabularies that people used to have in a daily conversation. Okay, so yeah, try to learn new vocabularies every single day. And the second one is reading. I know reading is so boring. Actually, for me, until now, reading is so boring. But I cannot tell you how much reading helps me to improve my fluency in English. In reading, I learned a lot of stuff. I'm not only gathering knowledge or information, but I'm also learning new vocabularies. I also exposed to proper grammar. Because if you read something, the people who write those reading stuff, they need to think about the grammatical stuff, right? Because for me, writing is the most difficult part, okay? So when you read something, you will be exposed to proper grammar, and you indirectly are actually learning about grammar because you will start to see the pattern. Okay, so yeah, reading is very helpful, and you don't have to read advanced books or something or formal stuff. You can start small by reading novel, magazines, or maybe celebrity gossips, article about those things, or just reading something that is kind of fun to reduce the boringness of the reading so that you will enjoy the process. Okay, the third one is make sentences in English. So I will try to talk about this video in other videos, but some people, they were finding it difficult to think in English. So if you want to think in English, you also need to make sentences in English. You can try to write your thoughts in English with the vocabularies that you already know. So you can try to start to write them. Maybe you can try to make your diary or journal in English, like trying to tell what you're doing today, what you have done, what was your activity. You can tell them, you can write them, or you can talk to yourself, like what I have done today. Or maybe you can also text your friends in English, or maybe you can text strangers in English. Like, there's so many applications out there. You can send them a message in English, or maybe you can talk to maybe your teacher in English. You can start practicing. You just need to start small, like make sentences, simple sentences every single day. Okay, if you don't have friends, talk to yourself in front of the camera like this, or in front of the mirror, or maybe while doing anything, like while riding your motorcycle, or maybe in the bathroom, you can do that. So Yeah, the last one, listen to English audios. So listening is very very powerful. Actually, I made another video also about it, but listening is very useful, that you need to make used with listening English stuff. So English audios, English podcasts, English videos, English songs, English TV shows. Like, just get used with listening English stuff. Okay. And again, you don't have to watch or listen to something very advanced, very boring. Just try the fun part. So if you like cooking, try to watch English cooking shows, or maybe if you like dramas, watching English dramas or TV series. Okay. So yeah, I think these small habits will eventually help you to improve the fluency. I've tried that, and some of my friends also tried that, and it worked. So I believe that it will also work on you, and you just need to be consistent, because in the long run you will thank yourself for doing these small habits in daily routine. Okay, so I think that's it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.